To get started with snapping meme coins, begin by accessing the Nova platform on Telegram, either through the web, mobile phone, or desktop application. Locate the Nova bot and apply for it. Then log in. After a wait of about an hour or two, depending on the waitlist, you will be accepted. Once accepted, you can create an account on the Nova bot and start the process of sniping meme coins. First, navigate to the menu and select Wallets to access your available wallets. If you don't have a wallet connected, you can create a new one or import an existing one by providing the private key. After setting up your wallet, return to the menu and select Sniper. This will open up a new section where you can choose between the Sniper and Pump Fund Sniper options. For this example, the Sniper option will be used, but it's essential to note that this comes with its own set of risks. The next step is to select New Task and choose the desired Sniper option. You will then be prompted to enter a token address, which can be found on websites that list token addresses. Copy the token address of the desired token and paste it into the Nova bot. After entering the token address, you will be able to set up the Sniper task. Start by selecting the wallet you want to use. Then configure the settings according to your preferences, including buy amounts, slippages, and fees. Once you have set up the task, you can start it, but make sure you have sufficient funds in your wallet. The transaction will then be processed, and you can monitor its progress. When you're done with the sniping task, you can click on Lead Task to complete the process.